All right, Honors 11 for Wednesday the 13th. If you're taking AP exams, you don't have to necessarily do this. If you want to, that'd be great. But just kind of keep that in mind. So, in a half page double space essay, what has this situation, coronavirus, lockdown, all this, what has this situation done to change you in some way, either personally or maybe even academically at this point in your high school career? What has it made you think about differently in some way, shape, or form? We're all kind of having unique experiences with this. And then maybe what is one lesson that will kind of stick with you in the future? And again, either academically, personally, or I guess, in the grander scheme of things, for our world, right? So, again, be as personal as you want or not. I'm the only one that's going to read this, but I thought this would be a good opportunity to kind of see how people handle this whole thing. You all did a great job on the Dubliners unit. I wish we could have done that together in class. It's one of my favorite units, but unfortunately, we had to do it through these apps. Okay, so that's all I need for today, folks. So tomorrow I'll just ask you a little bit of feedback about the class, and we'll wrap it up. Okay, see you guys.